Ladies and gentlemen, could I have your attention please? Due to track work this long weekend, buses will replace trains between Hornsby and Newcastle. Trains to Hornsby will depart from platform 16. Trains to Hornsby move down this line. This was the long weekend, move down this line of trains. Will commence from Blacktown. Trains to Blacktown depart from platform 18. The T9 line on Saturday the 8th.
For your safety, please hold on when using the escalators.
Let's see how fast you go. I'm ready. Wow, it goes pretty fast. Wow, that's fast. That was unbelievable. Mama, I also can't believe we're actually in this. Yeah, I can't believe how deep we are. Archie!
Riding bicycles, skateboards, scooters or skates on the concourse or platforms is not permitted.